Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced when typing mathematical symbols in Microsoft Word. Have you ever struggled to input proper subset symbols like and subset but not equal to? Well, fret not, as I have a solution that will make your typing experience much smoother. In Word, you can easily type \subset and witness the correct symbol appear, thanks to Word's Math AutoCorrect options. To access these options, head over to File Options Proofing, click on the AutoCorrect Options button, and then navigate to the Math AutoCorrect tab. Here, you can find a list of entries relevant to subset that you can utilize. The solution lies in adding the proper entries to the Math AutoCorrect list with a regular autocorrect list. By following the steps outlined above, you can seamlessly incorporate symbols like \subsetneck and \subsetneck into your Word documents. Remember to check the Use Math AutoCorrect rules outside of Math Regions option for the changes to take effect. In summary, Microsoft Word's Math AutoCorrect feature offers a convenient way to input mathematical symbols like proper subset signs effortlessly. So next time you're working on a document requiring such symbols, remember to make use of these handy tools. Happy typing, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your favorite math joke.